Hi, welcome to the Chinese Handwriting YouTube channel. Memorizing characters, the most common Chinese radicals explained in English. In this video, let's talk about 木字旁. Radical 木字旁 are often associated with trees or wood products. This radical is often written on the left side of a character. For example, nouns related to trees. 桂 laurel, zhāng, camphor, bǐng, stalk, camphor, verbs about trees such as 植 means plant, 栽 grow, 息 means divide. The right side, 金 means X-shaped weapon in ancient times. The combination of mu and jin means to cut through wood, divide. Part 3. Adjectives about trees such as 枯 withered, 朽 decayed, 柔 soft. When you write 木字旁 in cursive, you can write it like this. For example, 您 whose 李 Chinese feminine name 李 兰 fence 楼 building. Mu 字旁 trees or wood products related. 桂 laurel, 樟 camphor, 柄 stalk, 干 pole, 植 plant, 栽 grow, 息 divide, 枯 withered, 朽 decayed, 柔 soft, 林 whose, 李 Chinese feminine name, 兰 fence, 楼 building. Please comment any other words or sentence with the Chinese radical 木字旁. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.